Hi, welcome to Math City. This is Mr. M. Today I will share with you very quickly how to solve time problems. And also I will share a secret with you. The common error that students make in solving time computation. And quite frankly, adults make that error too. So I'll pause this video and then write a word problem on the board. Desmond was the overall winner in the PS165 marathon, which she completed in 2 hours 50 minutes. Miss Richard Jones took 3 hours 58 minutes to complete the marathon. How much less time did it take Desmond than Miss Richard Jones to complete the marathon? Okay, so now I will use cubes to unwrap this problem. Always use this little strategy. When you have word problems, unwrap it. Just like when you're eating a Skittles, you have to open this wrapper. That's what we are going to do. All right, so I'm going to circle my key numbers. That will help me solve the problem. So I am going to circle 2 hours, 50 minutes. Okay. Also, I'm going to circle 3 hours, 58 minutes, which is the amount of time Miss Richard Jones took to complete the race. So I am done in circling the key words. Am I going to circle PS165? Because I mean key numbers? No, PS165. 165 is a number, but 165 is not a number that's going to help us solve this problem. Okay. I'm going to underline the question. How much less time did it take Desmond than Miss Richard Jones to complete the marathon? Check. I'm going to box the key math words that are going to help me solve this problem. Okay. So I know it's a marathon and hmm, okay. How much less time? That's an important word. Less. Less tells me that I have to find the difference between something, between two numbers. Then, how much less time then? Then tell me, definitely I have to subtract. Okay, I'm just going to use those two key math words and put a check by my B. Now I'm going to evaluate. I know that I have to subtract two numbers. All right, so now the question is saying, how much less time does Desmond take than Miss Richard Jones? So let's see how much time Miss Richard Jones took. I'm going to put Miss Richard Jones took 3 hours 58 minutes. I'm going to use MIN for minutes, okay? All right, now that's right. And Desmond, DES for Desmond, took 2 hours and 50 minutes. Now, simply what I'm going to do, since I want to know how much less time that one person took than the other person, so I know that I have to subtract. So I am going to subtract these two numbers here and solve. Remember here, these are minutes. Okay, so this is a simple and straightforward problem. I will show you another problem where when we have to regroup time, this is where a lot of people make errors. But this one is straightforward. I have 8 minus 0 is going to be 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. I have to put in my 0 here. Okay. And the 3 minus 2 is 1. So I know it's 1 hour and 8 minutes. So I evaluated and solved this simple problem. So I'm going to write out my answer so that the teacher sees exactly what I'm saying. So it took Desmoney 1 hour. So it took Desmoney 1 hour 8 minutes less than Miss Richard Jones. Quite frankly, Miss Richard Jones is very, very, very slow. Wow. 1 hour, 8 minutes. I think Desmoney probably had dinner before Miss Richard Jones arrived. Hope you enjoyed this video and look out for the next one where you have to regroup time. Very interesting. See you later.